All right, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign. First, you're going to want a simple opt-in where someone can give you their email address. And then you're going to probably send them something cool to their email address. And then once you have their email address, it's going to look like this in your email provider. You're going to have a list of names, and this is called your list. And each of these names is going to have a tag. A tag is something that just tells your email list provider which subscriber gets what kind of email. And then you're going to write certain emails depending on their previous behavior. So let's say this person signed up in October for some October special, right? That's going to inform the kind of emails they get. Let's say you have seasonal clothing and they say they really like October style fall clothing. So they're going to get more emails that talk about fall and winter clothing because that's what they said they like. It's really, really simple. And you can also just have a newsletter that goes out to everyone or certain parts of the list depending on when they signed up. And this is the basics of email marketing for e-commerce brands. It's really, really simple. Most people are afraid to start sending emails. And if you don't want to be afraid to start sending emails to your list, which is the number one most valuable way to communicate with your list. I mean, this is how people buy things. You communicate with them through their email, and then they trust you and they get used to hearing from you, and then that's how you convince someone to buy from you. So hope this helped. See you in the next video.